CYKLOS Materials brings biorenewable circularity to plastics used in durable goods. Our proprietary PDK resins are bio-advantaged circular replacements for polyurethanes that are difficult to recycle. CYKLOS Materials plans to manufacture elastomers, flexible foams, and rubber, and partner with brands to bring them to market. CYKLOS Materials provides brands in automotive, apparel, and footwear with unprecedented opportunity to deliver to their customers premium performance with low carbon sustainability, zero waste, and low cost. In doing so, we decouple economic growth from continued consumption of our natural materials resources, precisely aligning with the objective of the World Materials Forum.